Okay, hello students. Let us begin with the new chapter from It So Happened 8th lesson Jalebis. Okay, so here I am having few coins and you can hear what kind of noise it's making. Okay, and suppose we took this in a handkerchief. Okay, here's a handkerchief. Suppose think it as a pocket, it's in your pocket, and while you're walking, it will make this kind of noise. Let us see if it is. Okay, so this is all about the coins, and the first part is related to it. So let us see how we are going to converse about it. Okay, so read along with me. An honest boy is on his way to school carrying money in his pocket to pay the school fees. The sight of crisp, syrupy jalebis in the market excites him, and the coins in his pocket begin to jingle. After a long debate with himself, he yields to the sweet temptation. Now here the story is about little kid who is in 5th standard studying in the government school at Kambelpur, which is now called as Atak. So one day he was just going to school and he was supposed to pay his school fees to the master Ghulam Muhammad. Okay, and he had brought 4 rupees from home. It was in his pocket. He was supposed to give to his teacher, but since his teacher was not present on that day, he he would be collecting it too and giving it to his teacher on the next day. Okay, so all through the day, right from the beginning of school till he returns to his house, that coins were in his pocket, obviously. Yes, now suppose you are now take example of our school only. You're not having any canteen or anything to spend it. Okay, yeah. So when the school was over, he went outside and he was going through the marketplace. Suddenly the coin started to talk with him. Okay, the suddenly coin started. Yeah, but we obviously know coins are not going to speak. हाँ मैं 1 रुपए कॉइन हूँ, नहीं नहीं मैं तो 2 रुपए तेरे से ज़्यादा, अरे बस ना, हम दो एक साथ तो अकेले. Obviously these coins are not going to talk. Am I right? Yeah. So see, are they talking? No, it was me who was lip sync. Yeah. So obviously coins don't talk, but here, like just I told, the coins go khanak khanak. Okay, like it make noise, it jingles. But boy was so sure, like he was like no, but the coins were talking to me. Okay, so suddenly one coin said, what are you thinking about? Those great hot jalebis coming out of the khadao in the shop over there, they are not coming out for nothing. Okay, they are meant to be eaten. And what are you doing with your money in this pocket? What is the use of this money if you can't eat with them? Money isn't for anything. Money is meant to be spent. Only they spend it who like jalebis. But this boy, he was not ready to give himself up and to listen to these coins. Yes, let us see what happens front. Okay, since this boy was very honest and good, he told them coins, told the all 4 coins. Hey, देखा मुझे मिसगाइड मत कर, और it won't be good for you, देख लूंगा तुझे. I got so much at home that I consider even looking at something in the bazaar a sin. पहले से ही मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है, तो बाजार में देखने का मतलब पाप है. मैं पहले से ऐसा ही सोचती हूँ. ओके, एंड बिसाइड्स, ये तुम 4 मेरे फीस हो, फंड मनी हो. इफ आई सेंड यू टुडे, एंड देन हाउ शैल आई फेस माय मास्टर गुलाम मोहम्मद, and how will, and probably don't know, you probably don't know, but when master gulam मोहम्मद गेट्स एंग्री, गुस्सा होते हैं ना, तो मतलब उठा के रखते बेंच पे और बैठने का नाम ही नहीं होता जब तक बेल नहीं बजती. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ च्यूइंग माई ईयर्स like this, let me go home straight. So this is how that little kid, honest kid, replied to the coins. Obviously the coins were very sad. अभी ये नहीं सुन रहा है मेरा, क्या करूँ. सुनना तो चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट टू ईट जलेबीज, बट कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है। ये बंदा, दिस बॉय, इज़ नॉट गेटिंग in its trap. Okay, then the coins disliked whatever he had said, and suddenly all the coins started to speak at the same time. Okay, now this one coin is not going to make much of noise, but all four of these coins, if they start to speak, obviously it is going to make noise. And all other people surrounding him when he was walking from bazaar stared at him with a surprise and at his pocket as the coins were jingling. और सब जन जैसे सबका अटेंशन उसके ऊपर था, he became panicked and he grabbed his pocket all the four coins, held them tightly with his fist and made them silent. ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, जैसे लड़कियां पेंशन पहनती है, उनके पेंशन का आवाज़ आता है छनक छनक, और कुछ ज़्यादा ही इरिटेट करने लगे तो निकाल देते हैं. यस, this is how it is. You get very embarrassed, you feel panic in crowd when everyone's attention is towards you. Then children, what happens here, as he was taking few steps, he went out of the crowd. He loosened his grip, and then the oldest coin suddenly started talking with him. Like, it is suddenly only because he was not sure, it was unexpected for him that a coin can talk with him. Okay, so वो कॉइन बोलता है, देख मैं तो तेरे भले के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, और तू है कि तू सुनता भी नहीं है. कौन खाएगा ये गरम गरम जलेबीज? पर क्या, हाँ, और फिर से बोलता है, देख कल तो वैसे भी तुझे स्कॉलरशिप मनी मिलने वाली है. ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट स्कॉलरशिप मनी. यूज दिस फीस मनी टू इट टू इट जलेबीज, and with that scholarship money you can pay the fees. So किस्सा खत्म, पैसा हजम. And the coin started tricking him, the little kid. But this little boy, he is very honest, loyal and good, so he wasn't getting trapped, and instead he replied saying whatever the coins are saying isn't right. But it was not a bad idea either. With few coin, he can get jalebis and have it. And since these jalebis are not common sort of jalebis, they are like crisp, fresh, full of sweet syrup. सुन के ही पानी आ जाएगा ना मुंह में. Yes. So similar thing happened when he was going around the jalebi wala. His mouth started watering, but I wasn't about to swept away so easily. Like, means what, the guy, this kid, he wasn't going to give up and get trapped in this prank. Okay, coins talking with him. So he said to coins, देख भाई, मैं स्कूल में बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग बच्चा हूँ. 4th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके आई एम टेकिंग स्कॉलरशिप मंथली ऑफ ₹4. मैं बहुत अच्छे ख़ानदान से आया हूँ. ये सब प्रेस्टीज कंसिडरेबल एंजॉय करना ठीक है, बट आई नेवर वंस बीटन सो फॉर. ये मतलब ये सब कर सकता हूँ, पर मैं अभी तक किसी का मार नहीं खाया है. एंड इन द कॉन्ट्रेरी, मास्टर जी हैड गॉट टू बीट द अदर बॉयज. मतलब क्या, उसको कभी मार नहीं पड़ी है, मुझे कभी मार नहीं पड़ी है भी, पर मास्टर जी बाकी बच्चों को मारते हैं. आई हैव टू कीप माई स्टेटस, मैं यही कुछ नहीं कर सकता. एंड स्टैंडिंग देयर इन द मिडल ऑफ द बाजार, मैं जलेबी खाऊँ? नो 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 नो, इट वॉजंट राइट. सो दिस किड, ही क्लेंस्ड द रुपयाज इन हिज फिस्ट एंड केम होम. बट दिमाग तो दिमाग है, या डायलॉग है ना भाई, दिल तो बच्चा है. सो सिमिलरली these coins were not so ready to give up on him also. पहले वो बोलते बोलते मतलब उनका घसा बैठ गया. बाद में तो मतलब एक तो मतलब जान ही दे उसकी आवाज़ ऐसी हो गई. जैसे जैसे this kid reached at home, sat on the bed, all the four coins started to speak, and now his mind started to play tricks on him. Okay, but the kid was so strong. Still he went and inside to have a lunch. And now the coins will be, नहीं जलेबी खानी है. But what? Thoroughly fed up, he was so terrified that अगर नहीं गया, जलेबीज खत्म हो गए तो मुझे नहीं मिलेंगे. He rushed out the house barefooted and ran towards the bazaar. Like he was so terrified, but quickly he told हलवाई वाला that भाई 1 रुपये का जितना भी जलेबी आ जाए you give me. Even the jalebi wala was so astonished to see him asking for 1 rupee jalebis, because those times in olden days, say 70s 80s, athana charana also, it was like 20 rupees of now. Okay. And in being surprised, this jalebi wala asked him, अरे भाई तेरी थैली कहाँ है, ये कैसे लेकर जाएगा. Okay. So hurriedly this jalebi wala packed all the jalebis in newspaper, and he gave it to this kid. And these were the golden days, memorable days in expensive times when he was living, which is we all know कितनी महंगाई बढ़ गई है. नहीं भाई, मतलब 5 रुपए में क्या आएगा. Yes, really, yes. Like you came to know now on Christmas celebration, what we get on 5 rupees. It's actually you don't have brains. 5 rupees का मतलब कुरकुरे ले लो, पैक करो और दे दो. कुरकुरे भी बहुत होते हैं. But still, you guys really planned a lot for the gift, and that was amazing. You going beyond 5 rupees, and you surprised teachers also and students also by giving gifts. So those were the golden days of this kid's life, when 1 rupee jalebi was like compared to 20 rupees jalebi now. And this was the story in the part 1. So basically students, it's not coins who is speaking here. भाई मैं तो बोलता ही नहीं हूँ, गरीब बेचारा मेरे मुझे नाम खराब कर दिया. Yeah, obviously coins don't talk. So it's like our minds, yeah, our minds are playing tricks with it. मतलब कभी बाजार से जाओ, अरे ये लो क्या बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लाना कुछ अलग ही होता है. You have to buy something different, and yet you bought something different only. You have to buy वो कुरकुरे से, but you bought Lays. You wanted to have cricket bat, but you bought baseball bat. Yeah, so it's kind of thing how your minds play trick with you, and you easily get caught in that track, and that in that trap. Yeah, so this is a part 1 all about, and next also we will unfold all the story how what happens further. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day.